Good morning all. Today our chapter is decimal fraction. So this is new chapter for you. So 40 decimal fraction means a decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, so on. Means multiples of 10 or tables of 10. We call zeros form also this. So these are the decimal fraction. Decimal fraction other than also, suppose 4 upon 5 we are writing, this is also we can convert into decimal part. So firstly we will discuss zeros from our 1 upon 10, hundreds, these. So firstly how to read. So firstly suppose 2 upon 10. So 2 upon 10, if 1 place 0, then we can write our decimal in 1 place. If 1 place 0, then we will shift our decimal left side. This point is called a decimal. Decimal means after your whole number, how many parts we can divide in our decimal. So 0.2 after decimal we read separate. So if 1 place, we can write shift our decimal in left side. Suppose 2 upon 100. So here 2 places. Here 2 zeros means 2 places decimal we can shift. But we don't have any number to keep here. So in the decimal we can keep our 0. So firstly 2 we will write 1 0 with me, 1 0 left, then 1 0 here, then we can write here 0.02 and we can do 0.02. Before decimal we can write in the decimal, before we can insert 0. Suppose 2 upon 1000. Again we don't have any number to keep here. 30 means 3 places, but we have only 1 place. How we shift our decimal? We can insert 2 zeros ourselves to complete our places. Places should be always same. If 30 in the denominator, then you have to keep numerator your answer in the 30. So 3 places 0.002. Now 3 places completely. We will not count this one, we will count our 0. Suppose 23 upon 100. Now we will not insert our 0 because 2 place also here, 2 place also here. So directly 0.23. So in decimal, after how we read in decimal? After read separate 0.23. 51 upon 1000. Now we have 2 places and we need 3 places to convert in decimal. So 3 places, so we insert 1 0 ourselves, 0.051. 3 places. So this way we convert our decimal. Next, if in the whole number it is, suppose 2.04. Now opposite of that. How to write? 2 is your whole number. Okay. 2 whole. Now how many places? Now opposite of before part. Now 2 places means 100. In the decimal, 0.1 means 1 upon 10. 0.01 means 1 upon 100. 0.001 means 1 upon 1000. If 1 place, 1 0. 2 places, 2 0. 3 places, 3 zeros, like this. So now 2 places means 4 upon 100. If cutting is there, then you have to cut also directly. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 10, 25. So your answer 2 whole 1 upon 25, like this. So you remember, if decimal change in decimal fraction, your fraction. So if 1 place in the denominator place value how to find? So place value, before you know simple number, suppose 53. How to find the place value of 3? Place value 3 is 3. Place value is 5 is 5 and 3 becomes 0. 50. This way we find place value. But decimal place value we have to find. Firstly, suppose 0.123. Okay. So how to read? First is your 110th place. Second place is your 100th place. 100th place, then 1000th place. So this way firstly we read our after decimal parts. So first place is your 10th place. So place value of this number is 110. This is 200. This is 3000. And there is another way also. If suppose this place value, so before number will be 0, 0.5. This place value, before number will be 0, 0. This becomes 0 and 2 as it is. So place value of 2 is 0.02. Place value of 3, before number 0, 0.00, then 3. So this way we can write our place value. One more method. First place is your 1. First place 1 0, 1 upon 10 also place value. This is 2 upon 2 places before, 2 upon 100 also place value. And last is 3 places means 3 upon 1000. So this way we can write our place values. Suppose place value of underlined is 5.821 and place value of 2 we want to find. So place value of 2, there are 3 methods I told you. First method directly, first value 10, 100, 1000. So 200, 200 we can write. Second method we can write all numbers 0 before number 0.02. And third, there are 2 places before decimal. There are 2 places now. So 2 upon 100 you can write. Underline is it like this. Any method 1, 2, 3, any method you can write, that will correct. Now next is expanded form, how to write. So simple number expanded form you know how to write. Now expanded form. Suppose 325. So how to write? 300 plus 20 plus 5. Simple expanded form you know. Decimal expanded form how to write? Suppose 51.213. So after decimal, all number becomes 0 like a place values. This how to write? 50 plus 1 plus all number 0 before number 0.21. How to write? All number 0, 0.01 and 3, 0.003. So this way we find our place value. One more example, 96.54. So 90 plus 6 plus 0.5 plus 0.04. So before all number becomes 0, like a place value we have to write in expanded form. Next is your types of decimal fractions. Types of decimal fractions. So we have a 2 types. One is like and other is unlike. Okay, first is like and second is unlike firstly. So for the like fraction decimal is after our decimal value same. 9.42, 5.38, 6.98. You can see all places are after decimal 222. Okay, one more pair 9.421, 8.643, 3 places. Now these are also like and this also like decimal fraction. Unlike means after decimal different 3.5, 3.82, 4.961. Here 3, here 2, here 1. So after decimal, if your places are different, unlike fraction. If places are same, then like fraction. Next is your equivalent decimal fraction. How to write? Equivalent decimal fraction. So for the equivalent decimal fraction, 3.5 and 3.50 and 3.500. Now you can check there unlike. And unlike fraction we can change in firstly like. How to? Here 1 place, here 2 places, here 3. So we can insert after decimal 0 ourselves. Always in the decimal we can insert zeros ourselves. So now 3 places, 3 places. Here also we can insert. Now 3 places, 3 places, 3 places. This is called equivalent decimal fraction. Okay, and like fraction also there. Next is comparison of decimal fraction. Comparison of decimal fraction. After comparison of decimal fraction, suppose 14.28 and 14.12. Now you can check after decimal 28 and 12. First value 2, second value 1. So of course 2 is greater than. Okay, so 2 is greater. This is a like fraction. You can get it 2 to same. Suppose 14.28 and 14.25. Now you can check first value. Now we will move to second. Second is 8. Here 5. So which is greater? 8 or 5? 8 is greater. So this will greater we can check. Suppose unlike fraction 2.5 and 2.92. So here 2 places, here 1 places. Firstly convert your question into like fraction. And like fraction how to convert? Here 2 places, here 1 places. So we can insert 1 0 ourselves. Now 2 places, 2 places. So here 5 0, here 92. So which is greater? 92 is greater. So this way also we can comparison. Next is convert decimal into common factor. Convert decimal into suppose 2.04. So common is this 2 is common here, 2 whole. Now 4 2 places 4 and here 2 places 4 upon 100. Now we will look at it 4 by 4. Answer is 1 whole 1 upon 25. If there is no cutting, suppose 2.09, then 2 whole 9 upon 100. There is no cutting, then answer is this. Okay. Suppose 5.37. So how to write 2 places? 5 whole 37 upon 100. Suppose 9.129. Okay. So how 3 places? 9 4 129 upon 1000. 3 places 1000. And suppose your question opposite of this, 5 whole 1 upon 100 given and convert in decimal. Now 5.2 places means 0 1. 5 whole 2 upon 10 given, then 5.2. Like this we convert. Next is, if one place in the decimal, you learn if one place decimal 10, 2 places 20, 3 places 30. Now convert common factor into decimal. Now convert into decimal. Our question is given in fraction and we have to convert it decimal. Suppose 2 upon 5 is your question. Next topic is how to convert our fraction into decimal fraction. Now first method we will discuss. First method is our zeros form method, that we have to check denominator and how many times to get denominator, 10, 100, 1000 we have to check in here. Now our denominator here 5 and how many time to get the zeros value, zeros form value. So 5 2s are 10 multiplied by 2, 5 2s are 10. Now same number multiply numerator 4 upon 10, answer is 0.4. Okay. And another method, 2 upon 5 we will divide, 5 divide 2. Now after decimal, if not divide the value, means we are dividing our numerator. Then if not dividing, so in the decimal we can insert decimal in the question answer and we can insert 10 ourselves. Now 5 4s are 20, then answer is 0.4. Same answer. One more, suppose 5 upon 4. Now denominator is 4. Now we will check how many times to get 4. 2 zeros form, 10 not coming in the 4 table. Now we check 100. So 4 divided 100 in rough. 4 2s are 10. 0. 4 2s are 10. Now we will divide by our denominator. 4 divide 100. 4 2s are 8. 20. 4 5s are 20. So we get 25. So means we have to multiply by 25 to get the zeros form. 25 4s are 100 and 25 5s are 125. So answer is 2 places decimal 1.25. Now next other method we divide 4 divide. Now this, now 4 1s are 4 1. Now it is not divide. Now what we do, we will do in the question decimal, and I told you after decimal we can insert 1 0. So 4 2s are 8. Now 2. Now again here decimal means after each step we can insert 1 0. So 4 5s are 20. So this way we solve divide, decimal divide. So answer 1.25. So 1.25 1.25. So any method you can do for the converting to decimal. So our next topic is rounding off. How to do rounding? So for the rounding of decimal, firstly we will do nearest one. Nearest one, what to do? Firstly number we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will check our number 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1 to 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If our number are 1, 2, 3, 4, so as it is we will write. But if your number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then plus 1 in previous number. So how plus 1 in previous number? So now suppose 56.2 195. So you know before decimal how to read ones, tens, 100, 1000, so on. And after decimal also I told you 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on, like this way. So if we will do rounding of tens, so we do rounding of ones. Next, now if we do rounding of ones, we check 10th place. If we do rounding of 10th, we check 100th place. If we do rounding of 100, we check 1000th place. If we want to rounding of 1000, we check 10,000, so on place. And what we check? Our numbers. If our numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, then as it is, we will write previous number, and that number becomes 0. If 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 1 in previous number, and that number becomes 0. So firstly we are doing rounding of ones. So what is rounding of ones? We check 10th place. This is 2. So 2 means 56 point. It will become 0. So 56.0 means 56. After decimal, if no number, there is no value. Okay. Same question. If we are doing rounding of 10th. So now we check 100th place. We check 100th place, rounding of 10th, 100th place. This is 1. Again, as it is previous number, and it becomes 0. So answer is 56.20. Or we can write 56.2 also. Same meaning. This also correct, this also. Okay. Now in the same question, ask the do the rounding of 100. So now we check 10th place 9. So 9 is here. 5 are greater than 5. Then plus 1 in previous number. So previous number is 1. So 56.2. 1 plus 1 2 is 0. This way we solve. If rounding of 10th, so we check 10,000. So this way we do rounding. So suppose now ask the rounding of whole number. Whole number, rounding of whole number. So whole number rounding how to do? Suppose 88.4. Okay. So rounding whole number means your exact value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. So your exact value 88. So for this rounding, which number you will check after decimal? 10. So this is 4 less than. So as it is previous number, as it is previous number. So 88 is our answer. 88.0 or 88 you can write. This way we do the rounding of decimal.